Let's remake Willow by Taylor Swift. In today's episode, I'll show you how to play the guitar part, the piano part, what the drums are doing, and all the other interesting production tips they use in the song. All right, let's get into it. Let's get under the covers with Willow by Taylor Swift. You ready? She's ready. Here we go. All right, let's jump straight into it. Let's find our key chords and BPM. Will I get the guitar out? There. The chorus goes G, ba da da D, da da, A minor, ba da da da, E minor, da da da, does again. And then the verse is okay, sweet. Next, let's get the BPM. You know the drill. We are going to click along to the track and find out what the beats per minute are. Words, right? Say the less I know. Maybe you stray, I follow. We got it. BPM 84. I might double the BPM just so it's easier to play along to. Where do we start? Guitar. So no acoustic guitar because we have broken strings, but let's use our electric. Okay, we've got our bass. There's a bass line there. This sounds like another acoustic guitar to me though. So let's record that in. That's really cool. Okay, I'm going to put down the guitar for a second and I'm going to let a sub bass do exactly what that guitar 2 is doing and just holding the notes. So let's just record this in really quick. G, D, A, E. Perfect, right? That's our sub bass. I'll keep them the same color so we know them together. I want the sub bass just to be from 100 hertz, just so it's taking low rumble and we barely hear it. Nice little tip actually. If you've automation on your track and you want to change the whole volume, you can't actually go to the fader and move it because it will just move back. So what you can do is you actually use here and you can move up all the audio at the same time. Nifty little trick that. Now that'll keep you warm at Christmas and we don't really want to notice it too much. We can actually bring it down a little bit. I'm feeling drums next. Can we do the kick and the snare just to give us a bit of vibes? Where's my drums? Let's get a kick. I'm going to borrow the kick from last week as I tend to do because I like the count guy and he's just so lovely. I'm going to have him nice and gentle. Now our kick pattern is boom, 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 ka, boom, 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 ka. Yeah, I think you get the idea. So we're in double time. So we're on the 1, the and of 2, and then on 4. So let's get our marquee tool. Command or. Sweet, that actually worked out pretty well. So basically a round of 8 bars, and on the 8 bar, 1 on the downbeat, and then leaves it. Lovely. And we'll put 1 at the very end as well. There's our kicks. Now our snare is kind of sounds like a hit on the guitar. Boom, boom, ka. Let's find guitar percussion. Let's get that one. So on the 2 and the 4 or the 3 if we're counting in double time. Same as last week. Definitely a recurring theme. Command or to duplicate. I think we're working it. If you work it, let me twerk it. I'm gonna flip it down, put it and reverse it. So what happened here was I thought the click was just a little bit long. So I just put on flex pitch up here. Flex pitch. Polyphonic. Move your cursor to above the top right and then you can drag it and shorten it and it doesn't change the pitch. It's amazing. Ooh, piano. Let's put the piano in. Yes, Addictive Keys. I have the demo for Addictive Keys. It sounds like a real piano. What I'm hearing for the piano is like okay, I think that's what it is. Okay, record that in. I missed the F natural. Change that F natural to an F sharp. I'm going to fix and turn down the velocity so that it kind of sounds a bit gentler. Much better, maybe a bit more. It works, right? It definitely works. Bit of stereo spread and give it a bit of reverb and then we'll bring the volume way down. So in the last chorus, there's shakers. Let's put the shakers in. New audio track and I'm going to go to Logic's shakers. Now let's just find something that's shaka, 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 shaka. I feel like this is good. Let's bring this in. Duplicate. Let's give this a sing song. Gonna need the lyrics for this one. We'll sing the BVs first, like we did last week. So Mishka, which means water in Irish. Here we go. The more that you say, the less I know. Wherever you stray, I follow. It's so bad, I'm sorry. I am no Taylor Swift. If I could be any percentage of Taylor Swift, well, I would choose 100, but I'm currently at 0, or probably negative at this stage. Ooh, make it G. G major, quick fix. Let's sing another vocal. Let's sing a third. I'm begging for you to take my hand, break my plans, that's my man. Well, let's leave lead vocal till the end. Let's just do the oohs, the ahs and oohs. Yeah, we've got left and rights already picked out. Okay, I'm going to go for this. I'm not totally sure it's correct, but I want to go for it because it sounds nice. So it's a B-A-A-G. That's our harmony. Here we go. That's what we're doing. Real simple. Woo, that sounds okay. Let's try another left-hand side. And And then we can just double these guys. Nice and breathy, nice and airy. They're just going to sit on top of the vocals and you'll barely notice they're there. So pitch correct, quantize to G, bring down the vibrato. Simply splendid. I really like these BVs. Okay, let's do right hand side. Exact same thing. One more second, guy. Okay, harmonies of those backing vocals. One BV, harmony at the other guy, at the other side. Simply splendid. Okay, here we go, lead vocal. The more that you say, the less I know. Wherever you stray, I follow. I'm begging for you to take my hand, wreck my plans. That's my man. Here we go. Wreck my plans, that's my man. All right, so let's have a listen to it. Thank you, Taylor, for getting these songs out so swiftly. Yeah, sorry. If you enjoyed this video, or maybe even learned something from it, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. Really does help the channel out. And I stream over on Twitch. My challenge is to make this song in one go in hopefully an hour. Usually takes like 2 or somewhere in between on Twitch. So if you want to watch me make these live, that's the place to go. Links down below. All right, let's get into it. Here we go. Let's have a listen to the full song of Willow by Taylor Swift. Here we go. The more that you say, the less I know. Wherever you stray, I follow. I'm begging for you to take my hand, wreck my plans. That's my man. You know that my train could take you home. Anywhere else is hollow. I'm begging for you to take my hand, wreck my plans. That's my man. Woo! This week on the X Factor, 93 Acres continues to sing obnoxiously out of tune. Tune in next week to be annoyed once again.